We're standing on top of where the driveway will be, and it's quite a bit higher. This was a huge hole here. It's now filled in. It's quite a bit higher. But by the way, the river was way up over this. It was way up over here, 5 feet over this area. Now, this is all buried. It's nice. This was all high, and he'll get this out of here, I think. Maybe leave a slight, because that looks like the root is right there. Same with that one. But level this off. Done a lot of stuff. Taken away a lot of dirt and stones. Yeah. You can see he's definitely down to dirt. So he's probably taken away 5, I don't know, 6 inches, feet, yeah, of dirt, stone, stuff, courtesy of the mountain. This is closer to the way it was before the storm. Now this is obviously all has to get moved also. There was tombstones here. He took them all away and left big stones. He'll do the same thing on this side. This is the bridge right here. It leads to the opposite side. So I have marked, you can see the stones with the yellow. These are where the posts are going to go. This is for the easement. But all along here, 20 feet from the center of the road, I've marked where the fence will go. I had orange paint, I ran out of it. And then here, the gate for the house will be inset a little bit to follow the orange line to these. There'll be 4 cinder blocks stacked up about 8 feet high and clad with stones on both sides. And they have a cut in at an angle. I don't know if you can see that. It's going to be at an angle to the road and then carried on down. So they kind of sort of filled with a crusher run around this, but they'll put a little bit more in here. So this is flush. The box and the grate are flush with the crusher run. That's what this stone is here. So he's got more work to do. Move the gravestones, put some big stones here instead, there and there. So there was a big hole here, and it is filled in now. It's very nice. And I could build a set of steps to go down to that lower level down there. This is all was a hole. Now it is all filled in very nicely. So we're going to ask him to take that dam out right there, because it really does stop the flow of water that comes down this little, it's just a trickle now, but I think we should take this out. So he came and he removed this dam of wood and debris, and it's mainly this stuff right here. So there was trees in it, and you saw it before, but now it's flowing very well. And this is what we need, because stagnant water tends to draw bugs and mosquitoes, and we don't really want that. So this got opened all the way down to the water. It's hard to see, but this is now open. So when this starts draining again, that'll flow nicely into that little gully, estuary, I don't know what it is. All these stones are going to be either on the road, between the fence and the road, or along here and back there to protect somebody from going off.